you can see the best little website in Texas at www.friendlyford.com. Get bottom line pricing from our internet department. Call us 281-328-9555. Now, check this out.
You will love this Cinnamon 2010 Ford Edge SEL equipped with a 6-cylinder engine. Enjoy this great SUV with features like cruise control, auto-dimming mirrors, split bench seats, power steering, power door locks, power windows, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2010 Ford Edge SEL. See us at Friendly Ford today.
Friendly Ford of Crosby is located at 2425 Highway 90 in Crosby, Texas. Browse through our complete virtual showroom at www.friendlyford.com. Call our internet department 281-328-9555. Set an appointment, or simply come on down to take a test drive. Whatever you choose, we have a vehicle that's right for you at Friendly Ford.